Hey, it's time for your weekly hit of real estate meets lifestyle. This is LSV Weekly, powered by lifestylevideos.com. From jaw-dropping home stories to market moves you need to know, let's get into what's buzzing across the GTA. This week's top 10 spotlight: Yorkville. Think boutique fashion, quiet cobblestone charm, and some of the city's most exclusive real estate. Here's a clip.
Known for its sophistication and vibrant energy, Yorkville stands out as a premier destination for luxury living. Yorkville is synonymous with elegance. The neighborhood is home to some of Toronto's most luxurious condos, offering stunning skyline views, world-class amenities, and the ultimate in modern living. Upscale developments like the Four Seasons residences and One Bloor attract affluent buyers and savvy investors looking for unparalleled quality. This neighborhood boasts a shopping scene like no other. Stroll along Bloor Street, also known as the Mink Mile, and you'll find flagship stores for global brands like Gucci, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton.
Why does Yorkville keep topping the livability charts? We break it down in our full countdown, streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Okay, cheesecake lovers, did you know you can find home-tested recipes on lifestylevideos.com? Yeah, we're more than just bricks and mortar. Have a look.
Well, I've pre-baked a crust already. I baked it at 325 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes in this springform pan. Next thing we'll do is we'll mix the ingredients that are going to make the filling to this delicious cheesecake. We're going to take our 2 packages of dairy and gluten-free cream cheese, and we're going to blend them until light and smooth. Next, we'll start adding the rest of our ingredients. Our organic sugar, our eggs, and again, we want to blend this until all the sugar crystals are gone.
Check out our latest, a gluten and dairy-free cheesecake that tastes like the real thing. Full step-by-step is up now if you missed any of the magic. Let's shift gears to something a little deeper. Over on LSV Stories, we spotlight homes with soul. At 15, Blackthorn Lane, it's not just about layout. It's about legacy, memories, milestones, moments. Watch a piece of that story now.
Original owners have cared for every corner, blending character from the past with today's refined upgrades. Step inside the grand stone foyer. Light floods oversized living and dining rooms, spaces that have hosted decades of laughter. Gather around the custom kitchen, reimagined with stainless steel appliances and granite counters, where tradition meets taste.
Want the full short film? The Legacy at 15, Blackthorn Lane is waiting for you in our LSV Stories section. Quick market pulse. Port credit is heating up. Condo and single-family sales are climbing, and homes are spending less time on the market. Spring surge? Could be. And in Real Estate Rewired, we dive into how immigration is actively reshaping GTA communities. The big picture, one neighborhood at a time. Here's your preview.
Schools are a major driver. New Canadians are prioritizing strong education systems when choosing where to settle, making school ratings just as important as home prices. In places like Milton and Durham, rising test scores and new school builds are making these suburbs more attractive every year. But it's not just about numbers, it's about culture. New Canadians are building vibrant communities, bringing festivals, foods, and traditions that are reshaping the identity of entire neighborhoods. In many GTA suburbs, you'll now find thriving cultural centers, bustling farmers markets, and some of the best new restaurants anywhere in the city.
Top 10s, design deep dives, market intel. It's all waiting for you at lifestylevideos.com. Real estate content that actually hits home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and meet us back here next week for more LSV Weekly.